Welcome to WDRAB TV Weather Channel in San Jose, Costa Rica. And I'm your host, James Bond. Today is February 28th, 2019, and the time is 7:30 a.m. As you know, our cities are tropical ones, and there are beaches and greeny scenery all year long. All great places to vacation and get away from the cold for all you foreign viewers. Speaking of tropical cities, let's go to Emma Lounge, who's in Liberia and the Guanacaste Province, Costa Rica, right now. Hey Emma, how's the weather down
Hey James, I'm here in Costa Rica at 10.6 north and 85.4 west. The weather over here in Liberia isn't so nice with the high humidity of 63% and the temperature of 26 degrees Celsius. Not such a good condition as you might have guessed. But hey, it does match up with the 10% precipitation chance right now. Kind of windy here too, with the winds going at 16 miles per hour.
Whoa there, Emma. As we all know, here on this weather channel, we value our viewers to make sure they don't get confused. I'm going to stop you right there and go to Gabby Startler, our inset expert at explaining things to our viewers. Gabby, could you explain how we got all this information and what some of it is?
Gladly, James. We got all this information from our weather balloon that's currently up in the atmosphere, gathering and sending us information about the weather right now as we speak.
A weather balloon? A balloon is sending us all this information?
Not exactly, James. A weather balloon is a balloon made for going high into the atmosphere without popping, and it has multiple tools to help gather information about the weather. Weather balloons have thermometers to measure the temperature in Celsius, hydrometers to measure the humidity of the air by a type of unit called specific gravity, the density of a certain area in simpler terms, anemometers to measure how fast the wind is going and the wind pressure by miles per hour in knots, and barometers to measure the air pressure in inches of mercury and millibars.
Air pressure? What is that?
Air pressure is the force of the air pushing down on Earth as it is being pulled down by gravity. We don't feel it because we've gotten used to it. There are two types of air pressure. Air pressure can be high and low. High air pressure is basically cold air, which is denser than warm air, which we refer to as low air pressure. High and low air pressure is caused by the uneven heating of the atmosphere, as warmer, less denser air rises because of the cooler, denser air pushing down towards the earth, and ends up cooling down and becoming the colder, denser air, which then pushes the newly warmed air up until they heat up again. The cycle of the warm, less dense air going up, cooling down, becoming the cold, denser air, and then floating back down to Earth to only warm up again and do the same process all over again and again.
Well, what does any of that have to do with the weather?
Since we know how the water cycle works, we know that water vapor comes up with the warmer air because they've both been heated up the same amount by the sun. As both cool down, the newly cooled air will float down, but the water vapor has formed into clouds thanks to condensation. It'll then rain. This process means warm air, low air pressure will bring around rain and really any sort of precipitation because of the heat. High air pressure does the opposite. It doesn't heat up water to turn into water vapor to let it condensate and turn into clouds. It'll just bring in cooler air and sunny skies.
So much new information. Who knew this was how we got some of our weather and how some of the weather happens? If we get back from this commercial break, we'll go right into our story of today about Kittens and Puppies Lovables fundraiser at the animal shelter downtown. We'll be right back.
Hey James, I'm in Costa Rica right now, as you can see, at 10.6346 north and 85.4407.
Go.
Whoa there, Emma. as we all know here on this Weather Channel, we value our viewers to make sure they don't get confused. I'm gonna stop you right there and go to Gabby's
After
Star.
Gladly, James. Gladly, James. We got all this information from our weather balloon that's currently
Exactly. A weather balloon is a balloon made for going high into the atmosphere without popping, and it brings along. Exactly, James. A weather balloon is a balloon made for going high into the atmosphere without popping, and with it comes a lot of tools to help gather information about the weather. Weather balloons bring up include the
Go.
oh.
We know how the water cycle works and how the water vapor comes up with the warmer air because they've both been heated up at the same time and same amount by the sun. Pressure begins around what?
Whoa, so much new